Let's unbox this Atem Mini Pro HDMI switcher from Blackmagic. I do not have an unboxing knife, so I will use this ballpoint pen to remove the plastic covering. So it is wrapped in plastic. Okay. Simple cardboard box. And let us see what is inside. So this is it. This is a box, some paperwork. Okay. So this is the power adapter and different adapters for different sockets. Okay. So here is the switcher. And this is the HDMI switcher, and you have some kind of paperwork. So this is the switcher. You can change the inputs using these switches, and there are, you can see what are the ports available. This is the power port. This socket will go here, and there's a nice way to thread it up. For connecting to internet, you have this LAN port. For USB out, USB Type-C out, HDMI out, and you have 4 HDMI input options, and you have 2 mic input options. It weighs around, I cannot tell exactly, but it will weigh around half a kilogram. It will weigh around 500 grams or so. And you have this soft touch buttons. You have this tactile feedbacks, and these buttons are very soft to touch. And overall, the build quality is solid. It's plastic, but the build quality looks very sturdy. You have these options, cut, auto mode, you have these transition buttons. So many options are there. Once I try it out, I will provide you some kind of review once I try this system out. Thank you very much. See you soon.